So I need to make a logo for my brand, but I'm not that good with Photoshop, and hiring a graphic designer can get pretty expensive. If this sounds like you, then you're in for a real treat because we're gonna show you how to make professional logos like these with zero experience and the phone that you're holding right now. Step one is super simple. Well, I mean, maybe not for some of us. Boys, I don't think any of these names are gonna work. Any more suggestions?
Thirst Daddy.
What does Thirst Daddy have to do with anything?
Well, Daddy's trending.
We'll put it up there right over Hershey.
Her and she, separate.
What does this company even do? So far, Diego's given the only good idea with Thick Vato.
You don't like Tramp Daddy?
I think it's too sexual.
It's Charlie Chaplin on a trampoline.
Nobody knows what tramp means.
Who's Charlie Chaplin?
No bad ideas here.
Obviously, there's bad ideas.
No bad ideas here. You don't need to raise your hand.
From the ground up.
I don't know who would want that, but okay.
Well, we have That's So Ray, but what about That's So Ray, like Ray Romano?
Who's Ray Romano?
Everybody loves Raymond.
I don't even want to acknowledge that with an answer. I've always wanted to own a skate shop, so I'm gonna pretend that I'm the new brand owner of a store called Familyhood Skate and Surf.
Gnarly!
Step two is wicked easy as well. Go on your phone, download the Canva app, and if you haven't heard of this app yet, it's another one of my graphic design cheat codes. They have a massive library of illustrations, design templates, and everything else related to making clean digital art. We're using the pro version, but here you can just use the free trial version, it'll work just fine. Step three is to find a logo template that you think matches your brand and import it right into your project, and that's it. Step four is where we really start to have fun. You can delete the clip art that came with the template and replace it with an illustration that you resonate with. Resize it to your liking, set the position as you see fit, and you can even stack multiple pieces of clip art if that's your vibe. If you guys are enjoying this Canva tutorial, please click on that like button for me. Our editor has been getting super self-conscious, so we just need to let him know that he's doing a good job. Buddy,
Yeah.
bad news. We have no new likes on our video.
Wait, what?
0.
No, you gotta be kidding. You gotta get, no, don't do this to me. Don't,
Just wanted to
don't,
let you know. Keep up the good work.
no.
P.S. We actually read the comments. For step 5, we're gonna change the text to our brand's name and select the font that reflects our style. Don't be afraid to play around with the effects that Canva has available, because me personally, I like using the arc effect. And once your design is looking good, go ahead and execute step 6, and that's to export your design. I prefer to export as a transparent PNG. I changed the resolution to about 2000 by 2000 pixels. This will let me print out my design and not lose any quality. But you're not done yet. As my college professor said, I know you got more creative juices flowing, so we're gonna repeat each step to make 5 to 10 more logos. You're in luck because they made me do 100. Creating multiple versions of our logo will give us all kinds of options and really force us to dig deep. And once you're all tapped out and can't come up with any more designs, turn off your phone and go get a good night's sleep. And once you wake up the next morning, brew a pot of coffee and you'll have a clear head to start the ranking process. And guys, if graphic design is anything like music, then your first project will be your worst project. Take a look at all your designs and start ranking them from first to last. Feel free to get a second opinion on the winners and losers as well.
Yeah, these kids like to drink. And then you're gonna touch it again. Slap it.
And once you get to this point, you should have a clear winner picked out and you're good to start printing your merch. And for our merch, we choose to work with our good friends over at Placeit Print on Demand. Their platform is extremely easy to use and they come in clutch whenever we need them. Thanks, Placeit. And just like this video, we have a tutorial that takes you through the whole process of printing a t-shirt. Just click right here and you're on your way to greatness. Dude, click it. You've been watching this video, you're at the end, click it.